All right, so Nick's already been outside for quite a while, and I'm gonna go and join him. First, we need some coffee. All right, Mila, we'll be right back, okay? Yeah, can I join you?
I'm going in now.
Oh, we wait a little
I've
bit?
been out here for like 30 minutes.
Oh, shoot. One of the best ways to strengthen your immune system is to get outside and absorb some vitamin D from the sun. Our body needs sunlight to regulate our hormones, sleep, mood, immune system, and it just feels good. Nick is so good at doing this every single day. One of the biggest perks we have living in Arizona is constant sun exposure. What up, guys? My name is Teresa Campbell, and I do all things food, fashion, and fitness. And today I'm here to show you how I make a protein shake. I haven't been feeling the best, so I want to make sure that I get healthy, stay healthy, whatever, catch myself before I go down a spiral of not feeling good. So I'm going to make an energy boosting, immunity boosting protein shake. Let's get to it. Like and subscribe if you want more content like this, and let's get started. I forgot to hit record when I moved the tripod, so I didn't get anything on there, and that really sucks. That is so good. That really sucks. I'll just explain what I did. So we started off with some milk. This is the best tasting and the cleanest ingredients. All it is water, organic gluten-free oats, and Himalayan salt. No oils or anything added to this. So good. It does have a lot of carbs. It has 18 carbs, but that is because it's made from oats. I am not shying away from carbs these days. It's actually my main source of fuel. This is my concoction. I added in the leftover bit of coffee that I had. I had some mushroom coffee left, so I added that in there as well. And then my favorite protein, which is Sun Warrior protein. It is plant-based. I got the chocolate because I just love the chocolate. It is so rich and creamy, and it tastes delicious. In one scoop, 17 grams of protein, scoop and a half, 25. I use 2 scoops, so like around 32 grams of protein. Very, very good. My math is off. 34 grams of protein. This is delicious. If you want to make a thicker shake, you can make it like a mousse. So sometimes I'll either do banana or avocado. Oh, peanut butter. I should add a little bit of peanut butter. This is my morning shake, and I haven't had much to eat yet. So I want to make sure that this has enough calories to just kind of keep me going through the day. I feel like I eat a lot less lately, but when I eat, it's very nutritious each time. And yeah, so I'm going to add in a little bit of peanut butter just because I want it. It's not like I need it though. Once I find it, I'm working on organizing my cabinets and stuff, but hopefully we're going to be moving soon. So I want to organize things and try and work on getting rid of things. I'm just going to throw in like a tablespoon. Let that blend. And what I did is I always have bananas on hand these days, and I'll keep them like this. Once they get to my desired ripeness, I'll take them off and I will split them in half, put them in a dish, and then put them in the freezer. That way, anytime I go to make a shake or a smoothie or anything regarding this, I have a frozen banana and it works as ice. Instead of having to add ice, I just have more frozen ingredients, and that keeps me from having to use ice, and it gets to the desired coldness that I want. I also added in Four Sigmatic Defend have a bit of a sore throat and a little bit run down. I think it's just because of my lifestyle these days. I've been grinding and doing a lot of business for my Sharks Bites of Life, working full time, and then trying to find us a house. It's been a little bit draining, exhausting, lots of running around and not much chill time. So doing what I can to try and boost my nutrients and make sure that I have everything that I can to keep me healthy or keep me from getting sick. So I added a scoop of this. I am an affiliate with them, so I have the link down below if you want to purchase any. It's 10 different mushrooms and adaptogen, so it helps you up your immunity, and it's really good for overall health and wellness. I'm gonna add in just a little bit more spinach because greens are good, and when they're blended up in this shake, you can't even taste them. I don't taste them at all. That is how I make my shake. I'll link the ingredients down below just so you can see a quick little snapshot, but I wanted to make this. It's not one of my best vlogs, but it works. It's delicious. It's so good. Huge fan. It's nice and smooth. And it's thin enough to drink. Sometimes I make it and it's too thick, but that's just because I don't add enough liquid, and I like it, unless I'm eating it with a spoon, I like it to be more liquidy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give you a few ideas on what to add to your shake. This is pretty basic. A lot of people do this, I think. You can add coffee if you want in the morning. You can add whatever kind of milk you want to add. I really like this oat milk. It's delicious and very clean. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you want more like this, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys.